Hey guys, it is Coach Yolanda, and I wanted to come to you guys this afternoon on this beautiful Saturday because I wanted to share with you guys a quick, simple, easy method to help relieve stress from headaches, pressure, migraines, for people that suffer from those things. My husband is normally a sufferer of those things, and what we do is very simple without utilizing medication. And like I say, I know sometimes you have to utilize medication because that's just what happens. Sometimes you do need medications, but when you start to incorporate a healthier lifestyle and you start to put more things in your body that's going to be more vibrant for your health and help you to sustain life further, you're 9 times out of 10 are going to stop taking those medications that you normally would take when doctors prescribe pills for migraines or for headaches, Motrins, Tylenols, those things of that nature. You're going to not have to utilize as much because your body is getting things that it needs to be able to sustain and live a healthier, more fulfilling life. So I have 2 quick ingredients, which I'm actually going to say 3 quick ingredients that you can utilize. The first ingredient is water. This is going to be 1 cup of water that you will be utilizing, and this is my blender. So I'm going to take 1 cup of water in the blender, okay? Another ingredient that you will be utilizing is ginger. So this is the ginger. So good. It smells so good, and you know that this stuff is what your body needs because you can just tell, like, you can just eat this and it's so good. You can chew on this. It's so good. And it's healthy for your body, right? And then the next ingredient that you will be utilizing is grapes. Wonderful, delicious, nutritious grapes, okay? So let me explain it before I do it. So this is what happens. When your body is giving off inflammations, it's normally because you have a headache, you're stressed out about something, and your body is reacting to what you're going through. And what happens is 9 times out of 10, your body produces headaches, or should I say migraines, to the brain that makes your head hurt and just makes you feel uncomfortable, where you don't need any light. The light is too bright. You need to be dimmed in. You need to be enclosed, and you need to be in a quiet space. And when you are in those spaces, 9 times out of 10, the migraine does start to subside and it starts to go away. So what I'm going to show you today is what I utilize and what I concoct for my husband. You can say a concoction. I concoct this for my husband, and he drinks this at least twice a week or once a week. It depends on you, and it depends on how frequent you get headaches, because we're humans and this is what happens. So I cut up just a tad piece of the ginger. So it's just cut up very, very small, fine pieces. Nothing that is going to do any harm, because ginger is great for your life. You get this at your local supermarket. You can get this at your local Whole Foods store, Mom's Organic Market, Trader Joe's. Most supermarkets have ginger, so you're able to find it anywhere. So we're going to take this ingredient and our water, and we're going to put them inside of the blender. So that's the water going in and the ginger is gone in. So right now, this is what it looks like. The ginger is floating and the water is there. This is just 1 cup because I'm only going to give him 1 cup because that's all he needs to drink is 1 cup. Those of you who want to try this on some, if you want more, you can do more cups of water if you want. But do not, I repeat, do not add juice to this. This is not something that you're trying to get a sugary taste in your mouth or whatever the case may be. You need something natural, and this is exactly what this is. So I'll take that, and then I'm going to take about a good handful, maybe 1 cup of grapes, right? 1 cup of grapes, and I'm actually putting them inside of 1 cup of grapes. I'm going to rinse. Rinse the grapes. so that they are nice and rinsed off. 1 cup of grapes, and you're going to put them inside of the ginger, the water, and the grapes. You're going to put this inside of the blender. Now, this is another way for those of us who have children that are moms and your kids like to drink juice. Instead of giving them juice that's bought from the store that has all those concentrated things inside of them that are no good for the body and all those sugary things that they're adding, you can actually make a natural juice from home in the comfort of your home by utilizing grapes. So you take grapes and water and you blend it together and give it to your children, and there they have natural grape juice. So our boys drink that, and you can make that for your kids. But this concoction is for those of you who have migraines and suffer from headaches, the inflammation that's in there. You need something that's going to relieve it. And ginger, grapes, and water is going to do the trick. So I'm going to blend it up and let you guys see how that looks. Give me 1 second. I'm going to blend that for you. And it's blending. Nice and blendable. Blend. Just want to, grind it up real good. Make sure that the grapes are nice and grind it up. Make sure that your ginger is nice and grind it up in there with the grapes. And I normally let that grind for about a good minute. All right. And I'm going to go ahead and serve this to my husband. I'm going to show you guys. This is grape juice, natural, blended up with ginger. You pour it in the glass. One glass. And it smells really good. And even though, of course, you're still going to have the particles from the grapes, it's fine. It's natural. It's all natural, and it's going to go into your body. Your body's going to absorb it, and it's going to help you going forward with your day. Drink this in the morning. Drink it in the afternoon. Drink it when you come home from work. But definitely get you some ginger, natural grapes, natural ginger, blend it up in the blender, and drink. Honey, you want to come over and drink it?
How you doing, guys? No drugs, no over-counter medication in 4 years. This is earth-grown stuff. You don't need medication. You don't need no type of pills from a doctor or grown stuff from the earth that God have gave us. Get some. Goodbye.
So my husband has never ever been on any type of medication since we become natural, whole food, plant-based lovers of the earth. We eat everything as natural to its natural habitat as possible, and we try to find things that we can do when our body is giving us something, instead of us reaching for a medication or going to a doctor and say that we need a medication, because 9 times out of 10 when you go to the doctor, they're going to prescribe you a medication.
Good.
And he drinks that, and it just helps his body, relieves his headaches. Because sometimes, life shows up. That's what's going to happen. It's going to be unavoidable. But you do want to try your best as possible to keep things that are in your body and in your home that is natural.
So
things
true.
That you can actually utilize.
Get some. So true. Get some.
Things that you can utilize without you having to run to the store to refill a prescription or to get a prescription. And I know a lot of my viewers, you guys have headaches, and I know some people are just trying to figure out which way to go with that. So this is a natural source of healthy food that you can put into your body and drink it, and it's going to make you feel better. So definitely try it. Let me know how it works out for you. Like I said, you can try that twice a week, 3 times a week, or once a week, whichever your preference is. It's all natural. It's not going to hurt you. It's not going to give you any side effects. The only side effect it's going to give you is that you're going to feel much better and your head is going to stop hurting. So again, as always, definitely try to stay as natural as possible. Get as many fruits and vegetables in your diet as you can, and always do something healthy for your body. Okay? We'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Bye-bye.